As electric vehicles, EVs, continue to reshape the automotive landscape, the demand for efficient and intelligent charging solutions is on the rise. The EV Charger 32A 7.6KW from AliExpress emerges as a compelling option for EV owners seeking a fast and intelligent charging experience. With customizable amperage options, smart monitoring capabilities, and compatibility with both TYPE2 and TYPE1 connectors, this Wallbox charger is poised to revolutionize your EV charging routine. The AliExpress EV Charger provides flexibility and amperage, catering to various charging needs. For the 16A charger, users can adjust amperage levels between 8A, 10A, 13A, and 16A, while the 32A charger offers settings ranging from 13A to 32A. This versatility ensures that users can tailor their charging speed to suit different scenarios and power supply capacities. With support for both TYPE2 and TYPE1 connectors, this EV charger accommodates a wide range of electric vehicles, making it a versatile charging solution for EV owners with different car models. The inclusivity of connector types adds to the charger's convenience and user-friendliness. The incorporation of an intelligent chip sets this EV charger apart. Throughout the charging process, the chip monitors vital conditions including voltage, current, charging time, and power consumption. This real-time monitoring enhances safety, efficiency, and reliability, providing users with peace of mind during every charging session. Users can select their preferred charging rates based on their requirements and power availability. The charger's adjustable amperage levels allow for a tailored charging experience, balancing the need for a quick charge with considerations for power constraints or preferences. Operating at a maximum power output of 7.6 kW, this EV charger delivers a fast charging experience, significantly reducing the time required to replenish your electric vehicle's battery. The 32A capacity ensures that even high-capacity EV batteries can be charged swiftly and efficiently.